Ladies and gentlemen, kinfolk and cousins, welcome to my channel. I keep hearing it, the panic, the paranoia, the absolute foolishness. ChatGPT and DeepSeek are taking over. They're coming for our jobs. Are you serious? So let me get this straight. One day you're going to wake up, grab your morning coffee, log in for work, and bam, your whole career is wiped out because ChatGPT and DeepSeek suddenly know how to build, maintain, and repair real-world robots. Stop it. Just stop it. Let me tell you something right now. AI isn't replacing robotics jobs. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. And here's why. Look, I respect AI. ChatGPT, it's a coding machine. DeepSeek, it's a research encyclopedia. No doubt these tools are impressive, but let's not get crazy. I asked ChatGPT to write a simple pick-and-place task the other day for a robotic arm. No errors. Looked clean, perfect syntax, and then boom. The arm tried to pick up something twice its weight and fell over, like your drunk uncle at a wedding. Arms flailing, joints twisting. It was an absolute disaster. Why? Because ChatGPT doesn't automatically understand the real-world environment where the arm is operating. You see, AI can write code, but it has no idea what's happening in the real world. It doesn't know that a wet apple is slippery. It doesn't know that dust clogs sensors. It doesn't know that a robotic gripper needs more finesse than a guy trying to impress his date at a five-star restaurant. In DeepSeek, the scholar, the encyclopedia, it has read every research paper known to man. You got a question about robot perception? DeepSeek has all the answers. But let me ask you something. Can it build? Can it design? Can it walk into a lab and fix a robot that just malfunctioned? No, it cannot. Because robotics isn't just about code, it's about hardware engineering and solving real-world problems that AI can't even comprehend. Now let's talk about surgical robots. You think ChatGPT is in the operating room making precision incisions while the surgeon just sits back and sips a latte? Are you kidding me? One mistake in robotic surgery isn't a typo in a Python script. It's life or death. And when that robotic arm suddenly malfunctions mid-surgery, who do you think gets called in? The engineers, the roboticists, the people who actually understand the system. And let's be real, AI doesn't take the blame. You know who does? The engineer in the room. Now picture this. The surgical robot makes a bad cut. Blood pressure is rising. The doctor turns to the roboticist, eyes wide open. What happened? And the roboticist, sweating bullets, staring at the screen, open. He says, ChatGPT said the code looked fine. You see what I'm talking about? You see who's taking the fall? It's not ChatGPT, not DeepSeek. It's the person who trusted AI too much. Now let's talk about agriculture, fruit picking robots. You see, AI can write the fruit detection algorithm. DeepSeek can find you the latest research on robotic grippers. But tell me this, does AI know that wet apples are slippery? Does AI know that dusty farm conditions clog sensors? Does AI know that one bad motor calibration can turn an apple picking robot into an apple smashing robot? No, no, and no. In the lab, the AI-powered robot picks fruit perfectly. But the moment it steps into the real world, rain, mud, unpredictable terrain, it's game over. And who fixes that? It's humans. You see all these robots in Amazon fulfillment centers, moving products like a synchronized dance team. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's efficient. It's a technological masterpiece. But what happens when a conveyor belt jams? What happens when a lift mechanism fails? What happens when a robot breaks down in the middle of peak holiday season? AI isn't grabbing a wrench. AI isn't troubleshooting a broken actuator. AI isn't getting those robots back online. That's on you. Now, let me be real with you. AI is not replacing roboticists, but you can be replaced by another engineer who knows how to use AI as a tool. If all you do is write basic AI code can generate in seconds, if all you do is just follow instructions without understanding the hardware, if all you do is read research without hands-on troubleshooting experience, guess what? You're not getting replaced by AI. you're getting replaced by another engineer who knows AI, who's adapted. So if you want to be future proof, you must learn what AI cannot do. Number one, full system robotics development. AI can generate parts, but you build the entire system. Number two, edge case handling and failure recovery. AI fails when the real world gets messy. You solve the unexpected. And number three, real world integration and mechanical design. AI writes code, but you make robots work in the real world. So here's my final word. The next time someone tells you AI is taking over robotics jobs, look them dead in the eye and say, Automatic Addison said, stop the nonsense. AI is a tool. Keep building.
Automatic Addison.